Tools required for installing the front lights, including front lights, 3-in-1 hex wrench, 3/8 wrench, M532 mounting nuts, washers, cable clips. First, remove the mounting nuts. When removing the nuts, make sure to first loosen the base plate locking nuts with a 3/8 wrench to prevent stripping. Allow the front truck to move freely. Pass the power cables for the front light through the deck as shown in the video. Install the front light using the mounting nuts and washers included in the front light packaging box. Note, do not use the original mounting nuts as they may not be long enough. Place the cables into the cable clips. Connect the front light cables to the front light connectors on the skateboard. Tear off the protective film from the back of the cable clips. Stick the cable clips onto the deck.